أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear brothers and sisters in Islam. How are you all? Hope you all are good and well and in best state of health and iman, inshallah ta'ala. Kindly use the chat box to reply. Let it be an interactive session, inshallah. Alhamdulillah. So we are into the day 4th of this learning of video editing. So let's begin today's class. Anything and everything, let's rectify our intentions first. Please rectify your intentions. Make niyah that you're going to learn this skill, learn this ability for the dawah purposes, for the sake of Allah, inshallah, so that you can gain reward while studying and while learning throughout this course, inshallah. And rectify your intentions and anything and everything. Let's begin with the name of Allah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, so that Allah puts barakah in your time, in your efforts, in your skill, inshallah ta'ala. Seek help from Almighty Allah with the du'as. Allahumma la sahla illa ma ja'altahu sahla wa anta taj'alul hazna iza shi'ta sahla. Oh Allah, there is nothing easy except what you have made easy. If you wish, you can make this difficultiest task as easiest one, inshallah. Let's continue this journey of being a productive Muslimah, inshallah ta'ala. So we are into the video editing course. The first thing we had learned was the software installation, and then it was regarding the creation of the project, a test project that was created. The aspect ratio was decided at first, and then we had learned about the editing interface, the workspace of the KineMaster. In the workspace of the KineMaster, we had dealt about, we have studied about the timeline, the media circle, the control bar, which was in the left, and the video window, right? Do you all remember what and all have we gone through? Yes. Can you all tell me, dear sisters and brothers here, that what is the timeline here? Quickly answer in the chat box. Where is the timeline located? Where is the timeline in this screen? In the KineMaster screen? Yes, yes. It is at the bottom of the page. Yes, yes. And what about the control bar? What about the control bar? It is at the leftmost part, right? This is the control bar. This is the control bar. Yes, excellent. This is a timeline. And what about the media circle that we had discussed? Where is the media circle? Yes, the round circle that we see, it is a media circle. Excellent. So this is a media circle. And what more did we discuss? Do you remember? What more did we discuss? This is a video window. This is a video window where our video appears. The editing of which video we are going to edit, it appears here. This is a video window. Fine. And what else did we discuss in the interface? In this interface, what did we discuss? In this workspace, what did we discuss? We had discussed about the asset store. Do you all remember? It was the asset store. Yes. And here we had discussed about the export and share options, right? Export and share. So this was the interface of the KineMaster, right? So what and all did we discuss in each of it? In the timeline, it is nothing but the videos and the layers appear. This is the gist about the timeline. It is very important while editing the video. And then the media circle, we had the media to insert. Then we had the audio. Then we had to insert an audio. We can select from the media circle or the layers or the recording. And then in the control bar, what did we have? Yes, in the control bar, what do we have in the control bar? Please type in the chat box. Yes, in the control bar, we have a back button, a redo button, an undo button, excellent, undo button, a redo button. And then, yes, this is the capture of this is the capturing the thumbnail. You can just capture an image from the video that you have edited. Okay, and you just can put it on the as a photo edited format. Yes, and this is an advanced option. What did we have in the advanced settings? In the advanced settings, we had, yes, we had advanced settings for the video, advanced settings for the photo as well as the something that was at the beginning, right? Yes, the something that was at the beginning. In the video, we had fade in, fade out of the video, photo fade in, fade out, and then the aspect ratio again, everything about the photo duration and the transition duration, fit, fill, and auto. These were things in the advanced setting, and this is a maximizing the timeline. This is used for maximizing the timeline. Okay, this option is used to maximize the timeline. Fine. So this was about the control bar. And what about the media circle? It is already discussed. And then we had discussed about the video window. A video window which is in the left corner. This is a video window, right? Yes. So these are the four things that we had discussed in the interface, and then we had learned seen the asset marketplace. It has lots and lots of assets in the form of effects, transitions. You can find the effects, the transitions here, and the stickers here. The audio media is available, the effects is available, the again the media transition, this is a media layers that is available, the videos are available. So lakhs of content is available here, inshallah. So you can make use of it if you have the pro version or the mod version. Okay, this asset marketplace is a wondrous place where you can find whatever you want, inshallah. So next, there is an option named export and share. Why is export and share used? Why is this option used? To export the video that you have edited, right? To export the video and get it into your gallery or somewhere and share it to the world. You just can use this export option to get the video that you have edited, and you can share it to anyone, right? So export, we have how will you decide? How will you decide that? How will you decide the video quality? Video quality. There are three factors here that you decide. The first factor is resolution. Yes, please type chat in the please type in the chat box. The frame rate you can decide the video quality, and the bit rate will decide the video quality, right? Yes, these are the factors that can decide the video quality that you're going to export. Fine. Higher the resolution, yes. The higher the resolution, yes. The higher the resolution, you will have better quality of the video. Higher the frame rate, better is the quality of the video. And what about the bit rate? Higher the bit rate, better is the quality of the video, right? So you can these factors are decided based on the size of the video. As the quality and the resolution increases, the size of the video also increases. So to have a size such that it is compatible for your device. For example, your device might not have that much storage space. So what you do is you can just decrease this bit rate and just keep it to the middle part. If you keep it for the higher, you will be exporting it in the GBs format, not in just the megabytes. You will be having the gigabytes then. So make it compatible for your disk to hold that much video. Fine. So this is how you use the export options, and then you click on save as video. When you click on save as video, this video will be saved, the edited video will be saved into your gallery, and then you can upload this video to the KineMaster. You can also upload this video on the KineMaster. That is not required. Okay, but what will you do? This saved video will be present in your gallery, and you can share it from the gallery. That's all. Okay. So this is what we had studied in previous class, and then we had dealt with something called advanced editing tools. Now in next few classes, we are just dealing with the advanced editing tools. Fine. This advanced editing tools are very essential for editing the videos. Fine. Instead of the media circle that appears there, the advanced editing tools will appear when you click on the video or the audio clip. Now we are going to deal with this advanced editing tools in upcoming classes, inshallah. So whenever you click on the video that is given in the timeline, that is on the timeline, these options, the advanced options, will appear here. Fine. Instead of the media circle that was here, that will be vanished, and this will appear. Fine. This advanced editing tools will appear. Now we are going to deal with each of these advanced editing tools, inshallah. So yesterday we have seen regarding the replace matlab we are going to just replace this video into another video. This option is quite easy. This is already dealt. Now we will see the trim and split option. This we have just went through in last class, and I have given you a simple homework regarding this trim and split. Yes. Where did you click to view this advanced option? You have to click on the video, dear sisters. Okay, you just have to click on this video. You're going to insert a video, right, from the media browser. This video appears on the timeline. You have to click on the timeline. Okay, you have to click on the video on the timeline. You have to click on this video on the timeline. Okay, Mashallah, most of you have done the homework so well, barakallahu fiki, and some of you had doubts in it. Inshallah, we are going to discuss the homework video again, inshallah. Do not worry, I'm going to assist you throughout, inshallah. You will be able to edit such eye-catching videos, inshallah ta'ala. So what was the homework for yesterday? It was nothing but to practice trim and split options. Did you all practice it? Yes? Yes, sisters, did you all practice it again? Please type. Yes, mashallah. Most of you did it right, mashallah. Barakallahu fiki. Yes, alhamdulillah. So few of you had doubts, inshallah. All of the doubts will be cleared in the next session. I'll tell you how you're going to split it again and how you're going to trim the left or right of it, inshallah. Okay. So, dear sisters, please open the KineMaster app now and just insert the media that I had given you as a homework. Okay, so we'll begin. So are you all ready with the two devices? One device to listen to the class and second for the live practice, or one device is sufficient? You can just practice after the class. Okay, today and tomorrow, inshallah, in the upcoming classes, we are just going to discuss about the advanced editing tools of KineMaster related to the video editing and related to the audio editing, inshallah. So the effects will be added to the video and as well as it audio. So practice along with me, inshallah. I'm going to share the screen now. Please do not type anything in the chat box. Keep your doubts ready after the class. Okay, after the class you can ask me any doubts, inshallah. So for now the chat box will be disabled. Fine. Jazakumullahu khairan. Inshallah, I'm just going to share the screen. We are just seeing the yesterday's homework, and we are going to discuss more topics on the advanced editing options, inshallah. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, alhamdulillah. So, okay, first thing that you all need to see, dear brothers and sisters, here is the video that I had sent yesterday. Okay, just see that video that I had sent yesterday. What was the video size? First, please check what was the video size. Was it a YouTube video? Most of the sisters or the brothers that have submitted me the homework, they have used a YouTube aspect ratio. Okay, to edit this video, you have to use which aspect ratio? Can you please tell? Yes, it is 1:1 aspect ratio that you have to select. It is an Instagram video, right? Yes, this aspect ratio, you should decide the aspect ratio based on the video look. Just see the video look. Is it covering the whole screen? Is it covering the whole screen? No, it is not covering. See, it is just this much. So it is an Instagram reel. So it is around, it might be around, you just check whether you can do it for 1:1 reel. Fine. So let me clear this out, clear the notations, and I'll show you what you have to use while exporting it into the KineMaster. Fine. While importing it into the KineMaster. So to edit this video, you have to click on which option in the KineMaster, dear sisters? Let's just check the KineMaster. Okay. First thing, what we are going to do? We are going to create a project. Fine. We are going to create a project. Okay. Which option are you going to select? 1:1 is the aspect ratio that you have to select. It should be based on the video aspect ratio. This aspect ratio of the video should match our editing tool, right? Yes. So we'll just type the project name. Any project name you can give, or you can just leave it blank. KineMaster will decide its name by itself. Okay. If you do not want to change the project name as such, you just can leave it as such. Okay. So this is the space that you will get, right? Then you need to go to the media browser. From the media browser, you can quickly select whatever it was in the what was given for the homework, right? This was a video that was given for the homework, right? Okay, please open it. I want you all to do it simultaneously with me. Come on. Okay, this is the video that you have got on the timeline. Can you all see it on the timeline, dear sisters and brothers here, please? Yes, this is on the timeline. To reduce this timeline, to minimize this timeline, you just can pinch on the screen. Pinch on the timeline screen. Pinch with the 2 fingers. Pinch in. Yes, you need to pinch in to reduce this timeline, okay? So that you can see the whole of the video. So how many seconds are in this video? Can you please tell? How many seconds? To know the seconds, what you have to do is you have to drag this. You have to drag this time stamp towards the end. So it is of 56 seconds. This video is of 56 seconds, right? 56 seconds. The homework that was given in yesterday's class was you need to split it Okay, you need to split at the 16th second, right? 16th second, and then split at 32 second. Can I just tell you, if you have a piece of cake or something, if you're going to split it, does it not become into two cakes, two splitted cakes? Yes, right? So even here, if one video is split into two videos, if one video is split out, then what it becomes? It just becomes two videos, right? Yes. So few of you have had doubts in this. Why is it showing that there are two separate videos instead of one video? When you split something, does it not show that it is two videos? Yes, right? Okay, this is what is shown here. So I'll just tell you how is it working, okay? Come on. So this was the 56-second video. I told you to split and delete the part of this video from 16 seconds to 32 seconds. Let's move our timestamp till 16 seconds. How will you move this timestamp? Just move with your single finger, right? Yes. So 16 seconds. Move till the 16 seconds. So you're here till 16 seconds, right? Stop it till the 16 second. Stop it till the 16 second. Select the video, and then click on the option trim or split. So how will this option appear? Most of you had a doubt. How is that option appearing? There's no option called trim and split. Click on the videos. Just single click on the video. Single press on the video. The video, not on the videos window, but on the timeline window. Click here on the timeline window. Click on that video. Fine. If you click on this video, this will appear, right? The advanced options will appear. Okay, then press on the trim or split button. Okay, if there's a trim or split button, press on it, click on it. We have trim left, you have trim right, you have split. Okay, what I told you is split the video from 16 second. Split the video from the 16 second. Let's just click on the split. What will appear now, dear sisters? Look here. There is something, the small square appeared, right? What does the small square say? It says that there are two separate videos now. Why are there two separate videos? See here, there are two separate, one video, two video. Why are there two separate videos? Because we have splitted that one video into two videos, correct? Okay, then what did I tell in the question, in the homework question? You have split one video into two now. Then it was also told that split it again on the 32 seconds. Let's move to the 32 seconds and split it again there. Okay, 32 seconds. Let's split it again. Click on the trim or split option and split it again. Fine. So this part that I had told it was an extra copy there. It was appearing double times, correct? This ayah was played twice. So I wanted you to delete this option, delete this much. Okay, this ayah was playing twice. Okay, it was playing twice from this part to this part. So I told you to delete any one of this part. You can just delete this part or this part. Okay, to make it seem like it is not repeating again. So, okay, so this was editing that I had told you in the homework part. So use the trim and split option to edit this video and split and delete the part of this video from 16 to 32 seconds. Now we have 16 to 32 seconds as a separate video. Can you all not see? What would we do? We have created three videos here. Can you all just see that we have three videos here? Why is it three videos? For example, if you have some piece of cake or something, if I split it into two parts, here I split it at some 16th part, and here I split it some 32 parts, then is it not three parts? One part, two part, three parts. Yes, right? So we have one video here, one video here, and one video here, right? Correct. So 16 to 32 seconds, you're going to delete this part so that you will edit. You will join this and this part. Okay, this and this part will be joined. The last two parts, this part and this part, will be joined, and this part will be removed. Why is this useful? This is useful in most of the video editings. For example, if you have a lengthy clip and you are going to have some glitches in between, someone is coming and there is something wrong in the between. So what you do, you split this and this content and you just delete the middle content, and everything else remains the same, right? So this is how you do the split option. Use the split option. Fine. Any doubts here? You please keep your doubts at the end of the session. Write it and just type in the chat box after the session. Inshallah, I'll help you out throughout. Okay. So if you delete the center part, now what you're going to do? You're going to delete the center part. Now 15 to 16 seconds, 16 seconds to 32 seconds will be deleted out, right? So just click on this and delete it. So what will remain now? The initial video was size of 52 seconds, right? The initial video was 52 seconds. It was 52 seconds. Now, when you check the video, How much is it now? Is it 39 seconds? Yes, it is 39 to 40 seconds. So it is 40 seconds video now. You in the homework part, I wanted all of you to submit the 40-second video. But most of you have submitted just the 15-second video. Most probably what you had done was you had deleted the 2 videos from it. Okay, please recheck. Please do it again right now, inshallah. Do it again. Edit this video again now. I hope you all are following me and just doing it along with me. Practice along with me, dear sisters, so that it will be easy for you to do the editing. This is just a simple editing. You will have complicated editing towards the end of this course, inshallah. So I want you to edit with me. Practice along with me. Please practice along with me so that you will have, inshallah, you will learn how to do it, inshallah. So this is what it is, right? So how did I split and delete? It is nothing but I just split it off at 15 seconds and then split it off at 32 seconds. So 3 videos appeared, 15 to 30 second slot was deleted. So now I have 2 videos, and when you merge these 2 videos, when you play these 2 videos, how to play these 2 videos and see? Just play it here and see. This is the play option. This is the play option that we have. You can just check your video, how this video is working, how this video is edited, and you can play and see how well you have edited it. Okay, just play it and see. Probably the audio of this KineMaster might not be audible to you, but okay, this is the video that we have edited. Fine. So okay, alhamdulillah. So this is a video that we edited, and this was a homework for yesterday's class. Okay, so we will see one more thing today. Okay, that is called as the transitions. Fine. It is called as the transitions. Fine. If you have 2 separate videos, fine, dear sisters. For example, while moving from this video to this video, there might appear some glitch. Like, just see here. There has been no effects added here. When you're going to move from 14 seconds to 16 seconds, just see it appeared all of a sudden, and there was no transitions there, no effects there. So to add some effects or transition, what you have to do is you have to click on this square in between these 2 videos. Okay, there are 2 videos that are here. You just can click on this square that has appeared in between these 2 videos. This square with one horizontal vertical line, with one vertical line. This square with one small vertical line. This is used to give the transitions to the videos. Fine. This is also used to show that there are 2 separate videos. Fine. This is also used to show that there are 2 separate videos. This is one video, this is second video. Fine. So the timeline is very important, dear sisters. Please make use of timeline. Timeline is very important while editing. Timeline is actually the most important thing of the KineMaster or any video editing app. Any video editing app, you will go through the timeline to edit the contents. Okay, all the contents, all the tools here will be used in any of the editing apps. Fine. So this contents, please remember all of these tools so that it will be easy for you. Even if you are given any video editing software like the advanced video editing software, you will be able to edit the content, inshallah. Once you learn the KineMaster, you will be able to edit able to edit on any of the softwares, inshallah. So now we will be seeing how will you apply the transitions. You have 2 separate videos. For example, if you have 2 separate videos and you want to give some of the effects to this video, you make use of this symbol, and this is called as transition. See how the transitions are given. Just click on this option. You will have the transition effect that will appear on the right side of the screen, right top of the screen. Can you all see this? Yes. So this is the transition effect that appeared. So it has so many options. The text transitions, sentimental transitions, presentations, powerful, and you can just move your finger, move your finger up, and you'll have so many transitions available. Okay, you can also download the transitions from the asset store. There appears the asset store option, and at the top you can just download the transitions. See here, so many transitions. The glitch, zoom, pinch in and zoom. You just can download it. It is for free. Within 2 seconds it will get downloaded. It will all appear there. Zoom, slide. Let's just download this transition. 38 seconds. It's just in the KB format, winner splash. These are the translations that you can use in between the videos. You know, this is the eye-catching content in the video. This effect is an eye-catching effect in any of the video. This is very important. You know, whenever you're going to edit some videos, these transitions are when applied, it makes this video seem like something creative video. For example, if I add a lightning glitch in between, just see here. Let me just add Okay, these are the two videos. How to add the transition? Just click on this. Just click on the square option. Fine. Square with a horizontal, vertical line. Fine. You're just gonna click on that. Yes, I'm clicking on it. We will get the transition effects. You can download more transitions from the asset source store. That has appeared here. Here there is an asset store. You can just download it from that. Okay. You can download more from that. It is for free. Fine. Okay. Let me just add the lightning glitch. Okay. Click on the lightning glitch and add anything. Okay. Now just see how this video is. The transition of this video has gone. See here. Yes. In this way, you can just change this video. You can add the effect to this video. So this is the transition option that you have added. Okay, when you click on this transition, you can also give the how many seconds this should this transition work for. Okay, how many seconds should this transition be? You can change it here. Okay, do you remember this was already assigned at the beginning in the advanced option? Do you remember? Transition duration. I told you that I will tell you when we go to the transition. This was the transition duration that was already assigned. It was assigned as 1.5 at the beginning. Okay. Now we can change it in the video. Okay. That's what is the transition. You can change it here. How to change it? Just move, slide your finger, slide it with the finger. You can just make it as a 2.5 seconds. This transition will appear for 3 seconds altogether. Okay. You can just make it as it should be in the blink of an eye. Or you can make it as a 0.1 seconds. It should go in 0.5 seconds like that. So the transition is nothing but you're just giving a effect in between the two videos so that it won't appear like these two videos are something some unmatching content or something like that. Okay, see here, this is how you add the transition effects, and this is how you are going to change the duration of the transition. You can add any of the transition, for example, winter splash. Okay, see if you can change to the winter splash. See how this next video has appeared. This is how it was the winter splash. You can add any of the transition that holds good for your video. Okay, for tomorrow's homework, I'll be giving you the transition effect as a homework. So I request you all to just practice it along with me so that it will be easy for you to send your homework, transition homeworks to me, inshallah. So this was about the transition. You can add any of the transition in between the videos. You can add several videos here. How to add the videos? I have told you, for example, if you have these two videos, dear sisters and brothers here, if you want to add the third video after these two videos, what you have to do is you have to move this timeline towards the end. Okay, move this timelines toward the end. Keep your timestamp at the 37 second. You want to insert another video at the last. Go to the media browser now and just insert new video, whichever you want to insert at the end. Okay, go to the videos and insert another video at the end. Let it be this video that we're going to insert. Let it be this video. Fine. Okay, we have inserted this video. We can also add the transition effects to this video. How to add the transition effects to this video and the last video? Just click on this. Click on the square with the small vertical symbol. Click on it. You can just add some transition. Whatever you want, you can add pinch and out and out. Let's just add this transition now. Okay, and you also can change the seconds of the duration of the transition here. Okay, so we'll just see how has this appeared now. Now this video has ended. This video has ended till here. It's just then we have added another video, which we'll see here. See how beautifully it has appeared, right? So the last video is just actually a logo format. I'll just zoom in and keep. This is an extra video. So whenever you're editing any channel, anything for your channel or something, you can just add it at the end and you can add such transitions. The video at the end is an outro or extra video. So this is how it appears. See how beautifully the transitions were added, right? This is how beautiful it seems when the transitions are added. So this is how it was about the transitions. So the thing that was discussed in today's class is the transition and the split and trim options. Okay, now let me tell you the trim options again. For example, if you have this video of 15 seconds, okay, you do not want the part in between 0 seconds and 6 seconds. Okay, what you do is you just keep on the 6 seconds, click it here, click on the video, click on this video. If you do not want the 0 second to 6 second, you just go to the trim option and just press trim left. What does trim left mean? Everything on the left side will be wiped off. of this video, everything of this video towards the left will be wiped off, correct, if you press on the trim left. But if you press on the trim right, everything on the right side of this video, right side of this timestamp, where is our timestamp is very important. This is actually, this red line is actually playing a role in the video editing. Everything is done by this timestamp. Okay, wherever you move this timestamp, from there you are going to edit. That's all. So this timestamp is very important. So you can have kept this timestamp, and whenever you're going to split on the trim left, and the left will be wiped off. Where if you're going to write the trim right option, and then everything on the right side will be wiped off. So these two things are very essential, and the split option is essential for the video editing. So this is how you make use of the trim or split options. Okay, split and insert freeze frame. This is actually, it actually gives you one layer of the image of the video. Okay, what it does is, I'll just show you what it does. If you click on split and insert freeze frame, if you just click on this, okay, and then click on the split and insert freeze frame, it gives you another frame. Okay, it gives you another frame. Freeze frame matlab, from this video it will extract a photo and it will give you at the side of the, it will give you as a next video. Okay, this we will learn in the next classes, upcoming classes, inshallah. It's quite easy. If you're going to practice along with me, it all seems quite easy, inshallah. So the next thing that we're going to see in the advanced settings is the Mixr option. Okay, the Mixr option or the slip option. If you want to take the slip option, then that's fine. Or we'll see the Mixr option. Just click on this tool, the video that we want to slip. What does slip mean is, you have to slide left and right to shift the start and end points of the video. So slip ka matlab hota hai, you're just gonna make you're just gonna see the video, the content that you want in this video. For example, this video is a 56 second. Okay, if you want that content of the video, for example, you want the last of the video, so you just press on the slip and just move it. So you will just, it will only the final part of the video will appear in this slip option. Okay, you're just slipping the video so that you can just get that point of or that seconds of the video in it. Okay, this you will understand only with the practice. Please practice along with me, you will understand it. Okay, practice and play so that you will understand it. Just click on the slip option and practice it along with me in the class. Okay, hope you all have understood it. If not, type for me in the, just keep it as a doubt if you have not understood the slip option. I'll explain to you again in the next class. Okay, the next thing, the next setting is the Mixr setting. This Mixr setting is quite interesting. Okay, the first thing is the audio option. Okay, this option says that the sound is in 100% volume. If you want to increase this volume to the 200%, you can also increase it. You just have to raise this circle, fine, towards the upper end. So you have to raise this volume. How will you raise this volume? Just make it as a 200%. Okay, and this is an FX. You just can give FX to your volume. Then you also can give the automatic volume. It will automatically assign the volume by just checking the beats in it. And then there is a left and right. What is left and right? For the left speaker and right speaker, this is used. Okay, you can give most of it to the left speaker or most of it to the right speaker. You just can see how we can adjust the volumes. And then the pitch. This pitch is essential for increasing or decreasing the volumes or something like that. You just can see, you can just practice along with me and see how this sound appears. Okay, practice it right now in the KineMaster and see how this pitch is working. Practice it, please. It changes the voice into the elderly voice, and a pitch, if you change it, and it will be like a small child voice as well. Okay, just change the pitch and see how this video is appearing. Fine. So this is how you would enable this. You can just change it sometime. If you want to change the video effects, add the video effects, then you can just edit the video in the Mixr as well. Okay, so the next thing is the speeding. Okay, the speed concept is very essential. It is quite interesting to note. For example, why do I use the speed content is, I'll tell you how I use the speed content. Okay, the speed. I will be having 3 to 4 hours video to edit. Okay, I will be given 3 to 4 hours of the video to edit. Fine. Please listen to this carefully, dear sisters. Okay, I will be given 3 to 4 hour video to edit. What I have to do is I have to listen to entire recording of 3 to 4 hours. But to just utilize my time to the most, what I do is I speed up this video. I speed up the video. Okay, I speed up the video. If the video is of 3 hours, what I do is I speed up of the video and I listen it. I'll make it just 1 hour or half hours. Okay, it will be around 1 hour if I speeden it up. Okay, if I speeden it up, I'll make 3 hour video into 1 hour video. Okay, and I'll listen 1 hour video, and I'll just edit 1 hour video, and then I'll change the speed again to the previous speed. Fine, this is how I edit it. Okay, so to consume it's actually time consuming to listen to all the 3 hours and then edit the video. Okay, so what I do is just speed up the video and make it into the 1 hour video. After making 1 hour video, then I edit the video entirely. After editing the 1 hour video, then what I do is I just change the speed of the video and make it as the same 3 hour video. Fine. So editing, while editing for the professional users, this speeding up tool is very essential. Fine. So professional editors use the speed up the video to this speeding up of the video to speed in their task, so that the video editing won't be so time consuming. Okay, so this was the speed option that we had. Fine. So okay, so we were discussing about the trim option, the split option, and more. So it was regarding the trims option, split option, the transitions that were added today for the video, as well as we had discussed regarding the slip, right? Can you all mention in the chat box, please, what we have discussed in today's class, so that we can quickly recap? We are almost time for the class, alhamdulillah. So it was a class for today. Inshallah, we will be giving you more homeworks in upcoming after the class, inshallah. So dear sisters, what did we discuss in today's class? Can you please mention? Yes, please mention in the chat box. We discussed about Mixr, excellent. What more? Advanced option for editing, excellent. It was about transitions. Transitions are very important, my dear sisters. So I want you all to, yes, the speeding of the video. Why is the speeding of the video essential? Even if you're given the 10-hour content, you can just speeden up the video and edit that video, right? You can add the effects to the video as well. Yes, the editing effects were learned. We had learned the slip option. We had learned the trim and split option. We had learned the replace option. We had learned about the Mixr, and we have learned about the speeding up option, right? Speeding up option, inshallah, we'll be taking up in the next class. There was some technical issue. Inshallah, tomorrow it will be resolved, and the speeding option will be inshallah discussed in tomorrow's class. So the homework: how can you play the video while editing? Okay, there is an option. Okay, there is an option. I'll just tell you how the option looks like. There is something option like this on the screen. Fine. Okay, I'll just show you in the previous slides which option is it. Okay, here, this option, dear sisters, this option towards the right, this option is used to play the video while editing. Okay, this option is used to play the video while editing. Fine. Any more doubts? Please ask. Please ask now. Any more doubts? Sisters, do you have any doubts? Yes, the slip option. Do you have doubts in slip option, or just telling that we had studied slip option? Any doubts in slip option? Yes, you have doubts in slip option. It is nothing but if you have an entire video, and you have just removed this content already. Okay, this part of the video is removed already, and you just have this much video. Okay, for example, the video is of 20 seconds. Okay, for the example, the video is of 20 seconds. 20 seconds का आपके पास video है, and you just have 10 seconds video now, and you have deleted the rest of the video. So you want to get the next 10 second of video. So what you do is you press on the slip option, and you take the slip the content of the next part. Fine. So that was it about the slip option. And what more, dear sisters? Any more doubts? Any more doubts? Okay, no more doubts. Okay, mashallah, that's great. Inshallah, I'll giving you some homeworks after the class. I want you all to, okay, about the Mixr you have doubt, inshallah, it will be clear in the tomorrow's class. Okay, it will be cleared in the tomorrow's class. It's just the only one option is used in the Mixr, that is increasing the sound of the video. That's all. Okay, the rest of the options are not that important in the Mixr. Okay. Okay. What more? Any more doubts? Any more doubts you can ask now, inshallah? No? Okay, Alhamdulillah. So this was a session for today. Hope you all have enjoyed learning with me. Alhamdulillah. Take care of yourselves. Inshallah, we'll see in tomorrow's class. We'll see the rest of the topics in tomorrow's class. Jazakumullahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, dear sisters. Assalamu alaikum. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk.